Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Pulling up all good morning, Mr. Dave. What's up, baby? We are on everything across the board right now, from TT to YT to F to KICK to TWITCH. We are across the board right now. Welcome, 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 everybody. Eric Watson, what's up? You know what I got to do? I got to add this in. There we go. All right, now I can see the chat better. Good morning. It's Tone, the Cooch. Sunshine. Can you hear me clear, everybody? Am I clear? JDM, where are you at? What platform are you on here? There he is, over there on the Kickaroony. JDM, am I clear on the mic? Yes, we're good. Welcome, everybody. Keep tapping over there on TikTok. Tap, 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 tap. Share, 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 share. Welcome, everybody. I appreciate you all for being here. We are on every day, Monday through Sunday. Mr. Dave, there he goes. Oh, yeah, I can see it with this chat. I can see who likes the live. I like it. Thank you for the follow, Mad Voice. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. We're going to get started here in about a minute. Just waiting for everything to be pushed out, and then we will begin. Hope you all are doing well. I got this chat going on over here, loud and clear. Thank you. All my TikTokers, YouTubers. Yes, Michael, we will go over Tesla. I appreciate you all. Alamito, what's up? What's happening, Alamito? Woo! JDM, we're everywhere here. This is like, whoo, I got to get used to this. I have to get used to this. I got chats all over the place. Good morning, SMCI. We're going to go over everything, guys. Just keep tapping. We're going to start. Any tickers you want to go over, please put it in the chat, and we will go over them for you, okay? AMD and the likes of them. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Voss. Hope you all are doing well. Thank you for being here. We're going to have a lot of new people in here. Nicole Mumby with the rose. Thank you, Nicole. We are going to start off with the spy, Miss Market. She runs the show, folks. Anyone who's on here that's new, oh, look at me. I'm typing spy into my computer. I meant to type in my pen. You will learn a lot from us. We have our moderators and all the different platforms this morning. And first of all, I want to reach out and thank all our coaches and moderators in the Voss Trading Education platform. You guys do so much, and I love you all. And I'm so glad we all were able to find each other because of TikTok. And I'm just going to tell everybody, have faith. In the end, it's going to work out. I promise. LeGrand, Duco, and Nicole with the roses and the donut. Thank you over there on TikTok. I appreciate you guys. Let's start off with Miss Market. As you can see right here, we're still a little far from that 8. Our 20 and our 8 are starting to now get away from each other. We're going to get a pullback on this, guys. So just hang tight for SPY coming up on Monday. We will get a pullback. Right now in the hourly, you look good. You got to get under that 20, and then you'll start pulling back here on the SPY. If we head over to the 2-minute, our execution time frame, coming in to Monday, you are in a narrow state. Now, with this all being said, the SPY is a machine, and it has been a machine for years upon years upon years. If we head over, let me show you here, to the weekly, And we pulled this back on Miss Market, going all the way back. All the way back. This is the market, folks. This is Miss Market. All the way back to 2006. You just see that trend all the way up. You will have your pullbacks, of course, along the way. But that is the market, folks. It is powerful. She is powerful. And you have nothing to worry about with Miss Market. Remember, as always, folks, this is not this is not financial investment or tax advice. This is for education purposes only. You must trade at your own risk. Trading is risky. Always remember that as well. Let's start off now with AMD. So AMD coming out of yesterday. We're on our 2-minute execution time frame. We're going to pull this back. All right, and we're going to mark out now our whip zone levels for you, for everyone who's here for the first time. We will mark out our whip zone levels right here. As you can see, as soon as AMD got out of the whip zone, it made a decent move to the upside. After about 15 minutes of the market open, you can take your whip zone levels back off and proceed accordingly. Right here's an A+ setup that our VIP traders would have taken down to the downside right here. They also know after 9:45, 10 o'clock, you are moving over to what, VIPers? You are moving over to the 5-minute chart. Why? Because the 5-minute chart is the one. That is the chart where you will make your living off of, okay, traders? Get off the 1 minute, get off the 2 minute after 9:45. It's going to clear everything up for you. So right here, if you look at that closed out beautifully yesterday. That's a nice move right there. If you look at the 5-minute chart here, traders, yesterday, that is your data for the entire day right there. We'll take the whip zone levels off for you, but this is it, right? From here to here, that is your chart data for AMD yesterday. You turn on the 2-minute, and then it starts to get a little more dicey. You have more data on the board because you have less time frames of the candles, all right? And you can get a lot of, you'll get whipped out in here a lot, especially for a new trader during consolidation phase and lunch hour, okay? Remember, 9:30 to 11 is the time frame you want to start studying. That is the time frame you want to start learning. That is the area where you're going to make a lot of your success. Who do we got over there? Chipper with the diamond. Happy Waves with the donuts. Thank you so much. My TikTokers, I love you guys. Yes, we're going to go over Walmart. We'll hit that now. We go over to Walmart. Let's take a look and see what we got here on Walmart. As you can see on your daily on Walmart, you're too far away now from that 8. You will be possibly getting a pullback back to the 8 there on Walmart. Also, remember, traders, all roads lead back to the 20. No matter what time frame, all roads lead back to your 20. So keep that in mind. Nothing goes to the moon. Nothing. It will come back, okay? Stocks go up, stocks go down, stocks go sideways. Consolidation. You must know your market cycle as well. Traders, very, very important. If you don't know the market cycle, the 1, 2, 3, and how it moves, you're going to have a world of pain when you're trying to trade, all right? Because things don't just continually go like this. Things don't continually just go like this in the market, and things don't continually go like this in the market. It does the cycle. Remember our market cycle, traders, okay? Remember our market cycle, right? Where are we going along here? Where are we selling in this cycle? Where are we shorting? Where are we covering our shorts? You must know these cycles right here. Very, very important. And we teach you all that in our Voss Trading Education VIP community and much, much more. All right? You guys, what do you want to see? XRP? It does the same thing. All roads will lead back. Okay, back. It will come back to the 20. All roads come back. Doesn't matter what the commodity is. It will go up, it will go down, it will go sideways. If we head over to our 5-minute, as you can see here, and we pull this back on the 5. Actually, you know what? I'll pull up the 15 for you. You can see our 20 in red. All roads lead back to that 20 over and over and over, traders. That is called the market cycle. It doesn't matter what you trade. Get it through everyone's head, please. That is very, very important. Okay? Everyone says it's going to the moon. It's not going to the moon. I promise you, it is not going to the moon. All right? As we bring this back, it will get a pullback. Eventually, all roads will lead back to that 20 moving average right there. Happy Waves and Chipper, Nicole Mumby, Duco, LeGrand, and Nicole again. Thank you so much. How we doing over there, JDM? How we doing in the world of Kick? Now, let me show you all something. Right now, we are across multiple platforms. TikTok is the one. Just like the 5-minute chart. Look how crappy F is. The F book. Nothing. Garbage. We go over to Kick. Garbage. We go over to the Twitch. Garbage. Absolute joke, America. It's an absolute joke. Not even close. And that's why we love our TikTok. Mech Tech, thank you for the sunglasses and the roses. Happy Waves with the finger heart. Yes, thank you so much. Keep tapping over there. I love you all on Twitter. SMCI, let's do it. Remember, if you're here for the first time, give us a follow. We are on every day, Monday through Sunday. We would love to have you as part of the family. Give us a follow. Good morning, my Trinity. Good to see you over there. And our VIP education platform is open for everybody, where we will educate you and teach you how to trade, okay? In the end, it is up to you. Right? We're going to give you the tools. We're going to teach you how to do this in our VIP. But in the end, it's up to you. But there's one thing I will tell you about our VIP. You're going to open your eyes and go, wow, I've been doing this all wrong. I mean, you're going to see where good entries are, how to have good risk management. All right. How to know the market cycle, what pivots are, what the 20 is, what the 8 is, what the 200 is, over and over and over. Okay. What retracement levels are. And to do that, folks, you're going to head over to any of my profiles, all right? TikTok, any of them in the profile, you will see this, and that's where you will go for VIP. LeGrand with the rose over there. LeGrand, thank you so much. I appreciate you, LeGrand. Travis, yes. Yep, so far. SMCI, let's do it. You ready? Let's do it. Yes. What do we got here? So these are the whip zone levels marked out from yesterday on SMCI. I'm going to bring this back for you, okay? Now, that's the whip zone right there that we marked out yesterday morning. When we get over that whip zone, what do I always tell you? All right? Under the whip zone is where you can look possibly, for education purposes only, for a possible short under the whip zone. But above the whip zone, there you go, right there, marked out from yesterday. You had some nice moves on SMCI yesterday. Beautiful A-plus setups all the way across. And now coming into Monday, you're going to have a new whip zone level, and you are narrow. That's what we want. We want a narrow state. Why? Why is that, folks? Because the 20 will get away. Your red and your yellow. Your 20 will get away from the yellow. But by the end of the day, sometimes and most times, it will come back. The 20 SMA is called the daddy. The 200 SMA is called the granddaddy. They will get far apart from each other. They will go to work. They will come back and meet up every night, okay? So when you get too far away, are you going to the moon? No, you are going. A lot of new traders right here think they're going to the moon. All right, and we want to stop that. You're not going to the moon. You're just going to get a pullback on this, okay? A typical market cycle pullback on SMCI. Let's head over to Google. Google, where were we yesterday morning? What did I take? Oh, I took the whip zone levels off. Sorry. Let me put them back on for you here. It's 9:30, right? Here's your whip zone levels on Google. You get over that whip zone, and there you go to the upside, okay? Right here on under the whip zone level, right into that 173 area. You also had hourly support and daily support there on Google. So went right back in the other direction. We are going to move over now to Amazon. Amazon coming around the corner. There's your whip zone levels from yesterday on Amazon. Look at it. Look at it. Over the whip zone. Woo! Up you go. Isn't those whip zones VIPers delightful? Brad James with the diamond. Cynical with the diamond. LeGrand with the diamond over there on TikTok. Thank you, Mike Candy. How are you all doing, everybody? How we doing over there, JDM? You holding the fort okay? All right, there's two. The T family, not much going on. The F family, we have nothing going on because it is a garbage. They should be ashamed of themselves over there on FTNK. Yes, it is. What else are we looking at? Red and yellow indicators. The red is the 20 SMA. The yellow is the 200 SMA. Thank you, Brad. Thank you. Any tickers you want to go over, guys, put them in the chat. Let's do them. Remember, if you're here for the first time, give us a follow. We're over there at 17,000 likes. Can we get to 50,000 today? Yes, let's do it, everybody. Come on. The Qs. Let's go to the Qs. Woo. Look what we got here. The whip zone all mapped out for you. Over the whip zone. There she goes to the upside here on the Qs. Folks, the whip zone is powerful. The whip zone is powerful. Beautiful. Right here. Red starts to get too far away from yellow. And then they meet up again, the granddaddy and the daddy. And right now, you're going to be in a narrow state coming into Monday. And Miss Market is not messing around, folks. She is not messing around on any of this right now. It is just a juggernaut. What else are we looking at? Put them in the chat. Let's go Uber. Let's see what Uber did yesterday. Uber, I don't think we did. Did we do? No, we didn't. The whip zones are from, oh yeah, we did. Did we do the whip zone? No, that's from the other day. Because the whip zone level will come right there. That was the prior day close. You see that? Right there. And then the problem with Uber is you get over the whip zone, but we all know we never trade into the granddaddy of them all. Never, never, never trade into that 200. You ain't going anywhere. You must get over the 200, retest it, and then go for a long. You do not want to be the trader that's banging on this door trying to get through it because you're going to get rejection every time. Not every time, but most of the time, okay? As you see here, right over that whip zone level, you had major resistance, and you also had the Pltr ski slope right there, as we call it. Pltr is one of our moderators, one of our most successful traders, and he is the man. So we are going to get over that 200 finally. You finally get over it, right? But you got the Pltr ski slope. You got too much pressure pushing down on you, and it brings you back down to the granddaddy. Now they're fighting. Now, the good thing about Uber is coming into Monday, you are in a narrow state. You're over it now. 20's pointing up. You look good. We head over 2 hour hourly, and you have room up to the next resistance point, which is your 20 right there on the hourly time frame. See how this all works, guys? It all works together. You must trade on multiple time frames. There is no way you are going to be successful trading on one time frame and one time frame only. Boom, 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 boom. How we doing over there, my TikTokers? Let's pull up. Let me pull this up over here. I got so many windows open right now. It's remarkable. It is truly, truly remarkable. Welcome to the VIP. We got some new VIP members. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to see you over there. We'll get you all tagged up in the VIP once we end the live later on, okay? So just hang tight and start studying. How we doing over there? Thank you for the follow, Philippe. If you're here for the first time, click that follow button. 260 viewers over there on TikTok. MONIR. Thank you for the follow. Some of the benefits of the VIP. Moderators, can you please tell Tony295 what the benefits of the VIP, please, are in the chat. Thank you. Thank you, Irish, for the follow. 8 Stan Jones with the follow. Woo! We are rocking and rolling over here on TikTok. I love you guys. Over there. I gots with the follow. Yes. What other tickers, guys? Put them in. Put them tickers in. Nvidia. Let's see what we got on Nvidia. I think we still have the whip zone marked out from this. Nvidia. Yes, it is. Nvidia, the whip zone. You get under that whip zone and woo! There she goes. To that downside on Nvidia. That was a nice play. I said yesterday on the TikTok live, watch Nvidia to possibly, for education purposes, to the downside, and boy, does she go. Good move on that. VIPers, anyone? I'm going to be reviewing all the trades today. Did anyone get Nvidia VIP? Anyone get Nvidia? Put it in the chat if you got Nvidia yesterday. Beautiful move. And as you can see here, your 20 and 200 start separating. The daddy and the granddaddy are too far apart. They want to get close again. And there they are to save the day. Right here, folks. So now Monday coming back in. You're in the whip zone currently. So this will be your whip zone coming in to Monday. You ready? 1, boom. 2, you are trading currently in that whip zone. Remember, to go long, what does the odds tell us? That 20 needs to get closer to that 200. If you go long possibly here, you will get whipped around until that 20 catches back up to that 200. Also, check your higher time frames as always. Right now, as you can see, we're going to take the whip zone level off. You're going to be banging on the door of that 8 and 20 if you do go long on the hourly chart. You do not want to do that. That is major resistance point. So Nvidia has to regroup, has to get back over 144.20 for a possible long to the upside. Remember, this is not financial investment or tax advice. This is for education purposes only. You must trade at your own risk, and trading is risky. Mrs. G with the follow. Yes, over there. Who else do we got? Whoa, that chat is flying. Hold on. I can't keep up with the chat. Zolano with the follow. Angry Moe's with the follow. BA and MU. Let's take a look. Let's go to Boeing. 2 minute. Let's zip it back. Let's put our whip zone level in. Sometimes when I review at night, I take the whip zone levels off. So sorry, guys. Where's 9:30? There it is. 3 o'clock. Let me put up 3. Boom. Whip zone. And whip zone right here. Those are your whip zone levels. You get over the whip zone, but you fell never into a whole number. See that 159 right there? You traded right into the whole number. That is major, major psychological resistance right there. When it comes to trading, you went right in. Ready? Whoop, boom, right off that 159 back into that whip zone, okay? As BA gets under, and then she goes right under 156. There she goes right here to the downside. That is an A+ setup that our VIP traders know how to enter on. Just because you have position, just because you have the state, doesn't mean that you enter a trade. You must also have an event that takes place before you enter any trade. That is Boeing, everybody. What else are we looking at? How we doing over there on the Kickaroony, Mr. JDM? How's the weather over there? Over there on T, how are you guys doing over there? And on the F-Book, what's happening, F-Book? What's going on over there? In F-Book world, say hello in the chat. Don't be bashful. Don't worry. We won't call you out. But look, this is the point. TikTok is gold. It is the granddaddy. It is the gold standard of social media. Look how pathetic all the other ones are. It's a shame. It's a shame. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. You know who we forgot? Wait. Our best friend over there. Hold on. The tubes. Hello to the tubers. Sorry, tubers. Oh man, hold on, where are we here? Tubers, we have a lot of people in the tubes. Hold on, wait. There we go. All right, tubers. Sorry, here we are. Didn't forget you guys. Oh boy. Thank you, Foodie. I love your videos, he says. I put some money up on one of your trades and Oh, Foodie. Dcash, you look baldy. We got a lot of I don't know what anyone's talking about over there. Alamito, what's up? We have to make you a moderator over there, Alamito, but it's all right. Let them chat. All right, so over here, let me save this. We're coming back. All right, my TikTokers. Jay Good with the sunglasses. Jay with the sunglasses. The Letty with the GGs. LeGrand with the rose. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the follow. King Kong, how are you over there? DJ with the follow. Tesla. Let's see what we got. All right. Tesla. Do we still have the whip zone in place from this yesterday? No, we do not. Yes, we do. There it is. Tesla. Yes, I remember this one. What did I tell you guys on Tesla yesterday? Do not go that way in the live. Remember? I said you were pulling back and whoop, there it goes. Beautiful. Right into the whip zone, right on top. That's exactly what you want. You had a nice little play here. So this was your move up here on a Tesla. Remember, VIPers? That is your move up. This is your retracement level right here. Here's your 50%. You broke under it, but you do have a nice setup for a long here with a Groot event. You could have took that move back to the 50%. I don't know if any of you caught that play there on Tesla. And then what did Tesla do the rest of the day? There it goes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. So I think we had resistance here on the hourly. Wasn't the hourly? It was somewhere. Where did we have that resistance? Let me pull this back here on Tesla. I forget where it was. Let me see. We were in position 3. I can't remember now. So you were in position 3. Yeah, so that's what it was. You were in position 3 yesterday. That's why I said do not go long on it. You need to pull back, and that's what you got. Very, very good. Very, very good. Florida Flex is in the house. There he is. No, the whip zone is not the previous day high and low. Nope. 20 and 200. Scoob, how are you? Thank you for the follow. Hello, Paul Kumar Patel. What's my review on it? I just did it before. Right here, let's pull this back. Let's go to the daily. Remember, all roads, Mr. Patel, all roads lead back to the 20. Okay, all roads lead back to the 20. So bring her back, Mr. Patel. Bring her back. Right now on the 2-minute here, you got that nice move down off the granddaddy, and then you get your push up on the hourly here on XRP. You got your 20 and your 200. You got your pivots right here. You got a double top. But eventually, and I hope nobody's going to get hurt by this, all roads lead back to the 20. All right, let's pull up this one. We can't say the names because some platforms don't like it. All roads. It's going to the moon. No, it's not. It's just coming back to the 20. It's going to the moon. No, it's not. It's just coming back to the 20. What else do we got? MU. Let's see what we got here on MU. If you're here for the first time, give us a follow. We are on every day, Monday through Sunday. The whip zone levels on MU I took off. MU had a nice play right back here, back into the 200, the granddaddy of them all. Then it gets shaken up here. Why? Because it's the granddaddy. You get a little pivot, and then you go. Push back up. Nice move here. 20's pointing up. Any VIPers get this reversal? The 20 MA halt. Did anyone get this one? Anybody? And then not much after that on MU. I told you MU was going to be a little whippy yesterday. On the hourly, yeah, we had a mess here, see? You had your 200 above you. You had your 8. You had your 20. It just couldn't get out of its own way here on MU. Watch those support and resistance levels, traders. It is important. Also know your market cycle. Brad James with the winning coin. Florida Flex with the heart me. Brad with the, it looks like a lightning. Is that a lightning? But with the autumn, it says autumn, but it shows a lightning bolt. The Lenny with the GGs. What else are we looking at? Thank you for the follow, BBQ lovers. Yes. AVGO. AVGO. How many of you that are in these lives right now actually know how to trade? Now, be honest now. No nonsense. How many of you actually know how to trade? There it is, AVGO, the whip zone from yesterday. There she goes, above the whip zone. We do not trade in this whip zone, traders. We do not trade in here. That's why it's called the whip zone. It will be choppy. You get your bottoming tail candle. What did I say yesterday on the live? A lot of your best plays originate out of the whip zone. And here it is right here. Bottoming tail and go on it. Just got done saying that to you all yesterday about 100 times. Brad, yes I am. How'd you know that, Brad? Yes it is. Yes it is. Thank you, Lino. We got Lino over there. Thank you, my Lino. You got that over there. You control it, baby. My Lino. Florida Flex with the bubble gum. Zan with the autumn lightning. Thank you. Montclair with the follow. I appreciate you. What's up, Nate Ski? What's up, Nate Ski? What else are we looking at, guys? What else? Put it in the chat. El Polo Loco. What's up, Jay? The Spy, you want to go over Miss Market? We can go over Miss Market. So yesterday with Miss Market, let's do it now. Boom, boom. That is your whip zone level. Once again, you get a lot of good trades originating out of the whip zone, okay? Spy makes a nice move to that upside. You got some good moves on Spy yesterday. And also, we're going to remove the whip zone right now. You were going to be in a narrow state coming into Monday. That is very good. On your daily, you're a little far from that 8, but you're still okay. Not too extended yet. On the hourly, you're near that 8 and 20. You're good. On the 15, which is crucial, you're near that 8 and 20. So Spy can still do good things coming into Monday. Now, remember, your 20 is over your 200. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a gap down on this, okay? Remember, this is not financial investment or tax advice. This is for education purposes only. What's up, James? How are you over there, Mr. James? Keep tapping, guys. Remember, the VIP, our educational platform where we will teach you how to trade properly. Oh, it's going to teach me. Yes, we will teach you how to trade properly. If you are struggling, just go into my profile, any one of them. If you're on TikTok, go into the TikTok profile. And that's where you're going to go right there to get into the VIP. Matt Dixon with the rose. Thank you, Matt Dixon. I appreciate you. Thank you, Falcon Rebel with the follow. I appreciate you. What else we got going on? Adobe. Let's do it. Let's map it out. Narrow state here on Adobe. You open in position 2 and then it goes. Now look, traders, let's map this out. Narrow state. Beautiful on Adobe right here. We got 1, 2, and then 3. Once you get into 3, you have 2 options right now. Either your 200 is going to try to catch up to your 20, or your 20 is going to pull back. Remember, the 20 and the 200 cannot stay that far away. It won't stay that far away, I promise you, okay? They will catch back up to each other. And as we go down the line, there it is. Yes, it is. Adobe looking good coming into Monday as well on the Dobes. What else are we looking at? Happy weekend to you, Kevin Callahan. There he is. Thank you for the rose, Kevin Callahan. I appreciate you. The coin of bit. Currently right now, you are stuck between your 200 and your 20 right here. You see it? That's the granddaddy of them all. Who is that right there? Kevin Callahan with the fireworks. Yes, thank you, Mr. Callahan. You're stuck between your 20 and your 200, all right? Let's head over to the 5-minute. That's the one. The 5-minute is the one. You see on the coin of bit, right into the granddaddy and whoop, right back down. It doesn't matter what you trade. It doesn't matter. Everything we teach you stays the same. We've got crypto traders. We've got equity traders, options traders, Forex traders, okay? Futures traders. All right? You don't need separate groups for all of that, guys. It's price action. Price action is king. It will always be king. If you don't know how to trade price action, you don't know the market cycle, you don't know support and resistance, all right? You don't know what a state is, you don't know what a position is, and you don't know what an event is, you're going to have a problem. But a coin up to the bit right here, you have your pivot right down here. You got to get back over that 200 on the 5-minute. Now let's head over to the 15. Once you do, you'll be clear. On the 1 hour, you will be clear once you get over that on the 5. You'll also be over the 20 on the hourly for a move back up, possibly for education purposes, to that pivot. You're just trading in your ranges here over and over. Here's a pivot here. Here's a pivot here. Now you got pivots here. You got a pivot there. You're just range trading right now, okay? That's all we're doing. Happy waves with the finger heart. Nate Ski with the rose. Thank you so much over there. Keep tapping, guys. We're at 29,000 likes. 29,000. We got to get up to 50,000 over there. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. How we doing, tubers? Whoa, we got some good ones over there. Rose, you got to head over to our VIP, Rose. Information is in my profile, Rose. All right, Rose, just go right into my profile, and you're going to see one of these. And doesn't matter what platform you're on, that is where you're going to go. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you, Mr. Flex. Good morning, everybody. Good morning to you. What else are we looking at? Put it in the chat. Put the tickers in the chat. Google, let's do it on Google. Yes. Let's see what we got here on the Googs. Google coming into, I'm going to get rid of this now. Google coming into Monday, you're in a narrow state. All right. This is going to be your whip zone level on Google. Right here. That's your whip zone coming into Google. Do you open in the whip zone? We don't know. We love when we open in the whip zone because our best plays come out of the whip zone. We also love opening right above to position 1, either up or down with the whip zone. Okay? You got to understand that. You need to know your positions. You need to know your states. You can't possibly trade without that. It is impossible. So Google does look good coming into the open on Monday. Yep. You're clear. You got a pivot right here. You got your 200 down here. You look good. Thank you for the follows, the Bill J. Yes. You hit Google nice. Good job, Vision. You're a VIP here, I believe. It's hard because everyone's names are different everywhere we go here. It's wild. You guys all have different names everywhere. You can't be like Bill across the board. Or Mary. Keep tapping, traders. We are at 30,000. Can we get to 20,000 taps? Soundhound. You want a little Soundhound? Let's go. Soundhound coming into Monday. You're in a neutral state, okay? We know that and that are going to get closer again. So you got to be careful. Out of a neutral state, this will be your whip zone on sound. You got a big whip zone here on the sound of the hound. You see it right here? Big whip zone area. Now, to the upside here, we go over to our hourly. You will know, these are the whip zones from the other day. Let me get rid of these. Let me make sure we're good. Yep. So we know on the hourly, you have room up to this pivot that's sticking out right here. See that pivot? You're also starting to get a little too far from that 8 on the hourly. You go over to your 15-minute. The 15-minute, it will not stay that far away from your 8 and 20. All right, you do have room up on sound, but the momentum you're going to get on sound to the upside because of the state that you're in, neutral, you got to watch those hold numbers going up. All right, you're going to get a pullback before you do anything else on sound. Put Brothers, what's up? Thank you for the rose over there for our Put Brothers. I appreciate you. Very, very nice. Very. How we doing, JDM? How we doing, JDM? Well, JDM, it's amazing how awful all these other platforms are. It's like scary bad, man. Very, very bad. And now we know why they are doing what they're doing to our poor talk of tick. Shame. Mara with the paper crane. Yes. Thank you, Mara. I appreciate you. Ian, we teach you so you can answer that question for yourself, okay? You don't want to rely on somebody else. What we teach you in our VIP education is so you will have the tool and learn how to trade for the rest of your life. Kevin Callahan with the Galaxy! Yes! Thank you, Mr. Kevin Callahan. I missed you. Where you been? Where are you hiding, Mr. Callahan? Thank you for the follow, Mr. BUT. I can't say that name. What else are we looking at? AMD. Let's see. AMD coming into Monday on AMD, and we're going to go over this all tomorrow on what to expect for Monday. But right now, you are in a wide state to the downside on AMD. And we say to the downside because your 20 is way under that 200. So would me personally, keep going and looking for that? I would not. Even if it did it, I wouldn't do it. On the hourly right here, you are coming into this bottom right here. You got a double bottom coming up here on AMD around 137. Okay, so keep that in mind with AMD. We head over to our 15-minute. You are just too far away from that 820 and 200. Definitely, I'll be looking for that, okay, on AMD. Why? Because of the market cycle. What did I tell you at the beginning, traders? Everything, stocks go up, they go down, they go sideways. Too many new traders, you think you see this, and you're going to continue doing that. And then that's where you get jammed up, all right? Kevin Callahan with the fireworks. Yes! Mr. Callahan, I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I did have you guys up here on the tubes. I apologize. You are right here on the tubes. Keep tapping, guys. What else are we looking at? Baba. Let's look at Baba. Where's my Kula? Are you in here, my Kula? Oh, boy. My Kula, what did I tell you yesterday that could possibly happen? The gap and nap, baby. Woo! A lot of times, I always told you guys, Baba is notorious for the gap up. The big gap up. Look, let's go to the 5-minute. And then it napped. Oh, boy. Look at that gap. Woof. And then you napped on the vine. Look at that. Woo! My Kula, you hope you didn't get caught in that. Always listen to Voss, traders. Always listen to Voss. VIPers, have I ever steered you wrong yet? No. No. It's raining, man. Seymour with the little crown. Thank you, Seymour. I appreciate you. What else are we looking at? MU. We did MU before, but we'll do it again. We'll do it again. Keep tapping, guys. We are at 35,000. Let's do a tap blitz over there on TikTok. You ready? For the next minute, we're just going to tap. Also on the tubes, you can tap your screen. Please tap that screen over there on the tubes. Ready? 1, 2. Yes, we'll do Apple. 3, go. 1 minute. Tap. Let's get to 50K. We can do it, traders. We can do it. I know it. Tap, 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 tap. We can do it. My daughter turns 5 this week. Guys, my daughter turns 5 this week. We got some new VIPers over there. Welcome to the VIP. We'll get you all tagged up once we are done with the lives. Mixed Waves, welcome to the VIP. Ernesto, welcome to the VIP. Yes. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Tappity tap, tap, tap. We are at 38. Are we doing it, traders? It's climbing. Yes, Kevin Callahan with the money guns. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Duco with the donut. Yes, it is. Welcome back, Mr. Callahan. Thank you so much, Duco, the purple dog. Keep tapping. Keep tapping. You see that number going way up there? It is going, traders. Keep tapping. All right, Apple. You guys want to look at Apple? Let's do it. Yep. All right, let's pull this back. We always forget Apple. It's like, it's amazing. Here we are. The levels are still marked out from yesterday. The whip zone. There it is. Whip zone top, bottom, and there she goes on Apple to the upside. I actually caught, was it yesterday? Yes, I caught right there on Apple. I got that one. Very nice. And then we can, now here's another thing for you traders. We can get away from that 20, but we're coming back to it. Remember, we get away, we come back. We get away, we come back. Why? Why do we do that? Let's take a look. Look, 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 look. Everybody. We get away, we come back. Get away, we come back over and over. It's the market cycle. Cody with the autumn lightning. Thank you, my Cody. Guys, over and over. So a lot of new traders, including myself a while ago, a long time ago, you see this move and you're getting in right there because you think, why? Put it in the chat, everybody. Why? Thank you for the follow, Raul Zambrano. Because you think you're going to the moon. You're never going to the moon. You're just getting away from the 20 and coming back to it. Once I learned that about trading, and then I learned about the cycle, and then I learned about my pivots, then I learned about my state, then I learned about my positions, and then I learned the different events. That was it. That was it, guys. And then I went back and looked at all my old trades and was like, what the hell was I doing? Oh my God, this is embarrassing. And a lot of our VIP education members have gone through the same thing. Everyone that is in one of these platforms that are in my VIP, didn't you all do the same thing? We had Alamito yesterday after he was done with the market cycle education goes, you know how many times I basically said, holy. Alamito, you had the same reaction everyone else has. Also, Dev with the follows. Thank you. I appreciate you guys over there. 41,000 likes. We're on our way up to 50. Yes, thank you. Question the narrative because numbers always go up. Because numbers always go up. What? 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 Keep doing that, Sneaker Eater. You won't be around long. All right, keep going. Thank you, Mr. Flex. You too. RBLX. Let's do it. Let's do it. RBLX coming into Monday. We're narrow. Yes, it is. We are narrow. And here you go. From yesterday. In the whip zone right here. You get out of that whip zone. Beautiful move right there to the upside. You got to stay over that whip zone, though. Yes, it is. Then you're back in again. Then it gets a little dicey here, okay? If we pull this back on RBLX on the hourly, look, let's do it again. You ready? You get away from that 8. You're coming back to that 8. And all roads will lead back to the 20. Remember that over and over and over again. Over and over and over again. You can debate it all you want. It's going to do it. I promise you, it ain't going to change because you're debating it. What else are we looking at? Thank you, my Flexi. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yep, she's excited for her birthday weekend. Gotta hustle the 20, the red line. But we teach all that in our platform. Link is in the bios, everybody. Whoops. The thing is in the bios, everybody. Oh, sorry, question. Question the narrative. I take that back. Yes, you were right. Correct. You're right. And know what's crazy? Question the narrative. We've all done it. You know, we have all done it. We have all thought right here, we're just going to keep going. And it's just a human psychological thing. It's not that anyone's doing anything wrong because we've all done it. All right. I've done it. Other top traders I know have done it. We all have done the same thing. But then once you learn about the cycle and everything else, you realize, wow, everything I thought I knew was totally wrong. It's mind-boggling. It really is. It's totally mind-boggling. I mean, I went back and looked at past trades, and I pulled them up on here way back when. And I went through the book, remember, back in 2004 and 2010 areas. And some of those aren't even around anymore, those tickers. And I was like, what was I doing? What the hell was I doing? SMCI? A lot's going on with it. Got to be careful what we say, though. On the 2 minute, just trade the chart, guys. That's all you have to do. Trade price action, right? I don't give a damn what SMCI is going through. All I know is when I get over the whip zone with an event, I'm going to the upside. Yes, it is. I don't care what they're saying, what they're doing. I am a price action beautiful human being. And our VIPers know that is an A+ setup to the downside. Right there. Woo! Market cycle. Major. What level is that right there, VIPers? What do we call that right there to the downside? What do we call it? Supply zone. What do we call this right here, traders? You ready? Demand zone. Yes. All right. And no, please stop messing around with all the other garbage you hear out there. The fair value gap. They're all sitting there looking at the chart. Is that a fair value gap? 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 Oh, my Lord. God, help me. Help me. Help me. Help you. How we doing, JDM? How we doing over there? Yes, it is. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. You all ready for Christmas time? Keep tapping, guys. Don't stop tapping. Come on, we're almost at 50. We're at 44,393. How we doing, my TikTokers? PLTR. All right, guys, I'm zooming in on you, all my talkers. Here we go. PLTR from yesterday. There it is, the whip zone. How many times do you need to see it? Holy majoli. Yikes. There it goes. PLTR. See, look at your 20, right? Look at your granddaddy, the daddy and the granddaddy. What will happen at the end of the day? Let's see. There they are. Hey, welcome back, Papa. Good to have you back, son. Right now, PLTR, you will be back in that narrow state again, and away you go. You just have to worry about your 1 hour pivots right here, okay? That'll be 78, right around that mark. It's just trending right now. It's beautiful. It looks delicious. Be careful, though, on the daily. You're starting to get a little too far right here. That's why the higher time frames are crucial. From the 8, you'll be coming back. Cody with the diamonds. How we doing, Yordani? Tururu. How are you? Yes, probably Tururu, but you're going to get a pullback. Lee Poi, how are you? Thank you, Lee Poi. Thank you. Anyone who's asking about the VIP TikTokers, just tag them and then tell them where to go. And if they ask, well, what do I get? You can tell them all in there. Peterson, the man, no. I will never raise the price. I'm not going to raise the price. I see those streamers on here 1 minute, and they're always having a sale. Did you ever notice that? There's always a sale. Today, we're having a sale if we get blah, 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 blah. And the sale won't last. And then tomorrow, what's another one? No. We're Black Friday every day. What you see is what you got. It's up there. Boom. But you can't please everybody, so don't try. What else are we looking at, my traders? Ian, thank you for the heart me. Ian. BBAI for my Flexi. Whoops. Sometimes I hit the mouse and it makes it 10 times thicker. Here comes the old penny. I knew it was a penny. Let's see what we got. Let's zoom this back out for my Flex. We're in a narrow state, my Flex. Do you see it? Doesn't matter the price of the stock. Narrow. Whip zone. Woo! Now let's go to the higher time frames. 15-minute. Let's go back on this. Looking good. 15-minute looks good. Hourly. Yep. Still good. Daily. Little too far. You got the old FU right there, and back we come, back to the 8. A little too far up on that now, Flexi. Florida Flex, make sure that you get in with an event at the correct position. All right? That's the most important thing. Correct event at the correct position. How we doing? Amazon, Deanna. What's up, Deanna? Yes. Amazon right now on the daily, we are just way too far from that 8. Way too far from that 8. Let's take a look. Yep. You get a neutral state. You're coming back on this. I mean, look at this. 15, too far from the 20 and the 8. You're getting a pullback. Probably get a gap down on Amazon coming into Monday. Garden of Hope with the heart puff. Thank you, Garden. I use Sterling Trader Pro. That's what I trade on. A pro platform. I just use TradingView on here to chart out for all of you. Keep tapping, guys. We're almost at 50. Let's do a tap blitz. Go! If we do a 2-minute tap blitz right now, we'll hit 50. Ready? 1, tap that screen. Same thing over there on the tubes. Carvana coming up next. CVNA. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Okay? CVNA coming in to... Oh, we got our whip zone. Did we have that? Did we do this yesterday? Let's see. No, we didn't map out the whip zone from yesterday. That was from the other day, but we'll do it now. Here we go, everybody. Ready? You originated in the whip zone right here. What did I tell you? All your best plays are originated in the whip zone. Look at that. Major supply level. Whammo to the downside on Carvana. Now we're going over to Carvana. The granddaddy and the daddy are far away from each other. Here they come down the stretch. They come. The daddy saying, I miss you, granddaddy. And then they meet up again like everything else does. Doesn't matter what you're trading. And then coming into Monday, you're going to have your whip zone levels. Here they are right here. You're in a narrow. You got to get over whip zone 1 to the upside or whip zone 2 to the downside. We don't care which way it goes. Remember that. We don't care if we go up. We don't care if we go down. We let Miss Market decide which way we're going. We have no control over which way we're going. We just know when it goes in a certain direction, when we're getting in and going with it. Do you understand that? Thank you all. I appreciate that. Our VIP education platform is open. If you are looking to learn how to do this the right way, give us a try. I will guarantee you, you won't be disappointed. In the profiles, that is where you're going to go, my traders. Right there, whether you're on the tubes, the kicks, the twitches, the books, they're all right there. Same thing. That's where you're going to go. That's where you'll find us. We will welcome you in the VIP with open arms. For all the new VIPers today, We will be tagging you in all the getting started information and welcome message in the next 5 to 10 minutes. I want to say right now let's do it. Here we go. You ready? Garden of Hope, Ian, Garden of Hope again, Cody, Duco, Kevin Callahan, Seymour, Mara Brown, Put Brothers, Happy Waves, Natesky Production, Matt Dixon, Florida Flex, Zan, Brad, LeGrand, yes, LeGrand, the Lenny, my Lenny, Jay Good, Brad, Cynical, Happy Waves, Metch, holy moly, Happy Waves again, Chipper, Duco, wait a minute, Florida Flex, hold on, another one, Florida Flex, wait a minute, hold on, my thing I gotta zoom it back up. LeGrand, Duco, Nicole, Mumby. Thank you for all the gifts today. I appreciate you guys. Wow. Thank you. We will be back on tomorrow at probably in the morning, maybe in the afternoon. I don't know, but give us a follow so when I do go live, it will notify you. Become part of the family. User with the rose. Thank you, user. Keep tapping. We're almost at 50. Can we get there? Here we go. Let's go. Oh, go. Brittany, what's up, my Brittany? Tap it away. Tap it. Let's go. Tap. We can do it. 50,000. Yes. I love you all. Have a fabulous weekend. We'll see you tomorrow. New VIPers, we'll see you in a little bit. And remember, for all new VIP members, start the training and everything we tell you to do it in order. Please do it in order. And then you'll thank us later. Have a great day, everybody.